Okay, last on the list is setting up the arms. Okay, what you could do, just have FK controls and you'd put a controller there. So what this is going to do is just show you how to set up IKFK switching. It's a little bit more sophisticated, but it's good to know how to do. We're going to set it up on the left arm, and then before we move too far we'll mirror it so that we get everything for free on the other side, and then we'll set up the IKs. You can't mirror IKs, it tends to screw up quite badly, so let's do the FKs, and we can mirror those and then set up the IK. Alright, so IKFK switching requires 3 joint chains. Okay. We have at the moment, if I press F, we've got the actual joint chain itself. Okay. What I do is duplicate for the IK and then duplicate another chain for the FK. Right, and I'll go in a little bit of an explanation of why we do this in the next video, but for the moment let's just prep it and we'll see what's going on. Okay. So select the upper arm, which selects that whole chain, okay, and Control D, so that duplicates it. And if I hide the original, just Control H, then I've got literally a duplicate joint chain with fingers. Alright, now I don't actually need a duplicate set of fingers, so I can remove the thumb, remove the index finger, remove the middle finger, remove the little finger, and I'm going to keep one finger joint. Okay. First of all, I don't need that controller on it, so I'm just going to bring up the tool and remove it, which is the middle one. Oh, it's interesting. It's given the full. Okay, let's just take. It's given like the long name. Let's try that. It's because it's a duplicate. Okay, so just as a temporary thing, I'm just going to call this test. It's recognizing that there's a duplicate shape, and that's why it won't let me. Okay, now let's try that. Set remove parent. There we go. So it just recognized that there was a duplicate. So when I remove that, it obviously sets it to the origin, and I can delete it. And let's have a look at renaming now. So these are my my duplicate chain. I'm going to go into my rename tool and search for _JNT and replace with _FK. Do it unselected. There we go. And just for this one, just remove that last duplicate 1 character. Okay, so there you go. That's my FK chain. For this last one, I'm just going to call this hand end. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, I've got an extra chain there. It's an absolute duplicate of the original one, so all the rotation values are exactly the same. And again, I'm going to duplicate that again, and I'm going to replace underscore fk with underscore ik to the selected joints, and I've still got that one as that duplicate, so I'm going to remove the last character. Okay, so if you look at what's going on under the hood, I've got fk, I've got ik, and if I unhide that, I've got my original joint chain with the hand. Okay. So let's look at the grease pencil tool. Okay, let's try the pencil. Let's give it a red colour so you can see it. There we go. Alright. So this one is